Someone asked me, they buy Bitcoin on Coinbase or buy one of the Bitcoin ETFs, such as the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF, which the ticker symbol is IBIT, or the Fidelity Bitcoin ETF with the ticker symbol FBTC. So, short answer is one, if you can, Bitcoin directly on Coinbase, I always recommend that. That is the most powerful, most direct way of buying Bitcoin. Now, if all you care about is the economics of Bitcoin, meaning you want the economic upside of owning Bitcoin, you absolutely can get that with the Bitcoin ETFs. They will give you the absolute same economics. What they don't do is give you the actual experience of the technology. And it really, really, really helps to have the actual experience of the technology. So, for example, if you own one of the Bitcoin ETFs, the only thing you can do with that is buy it or sell it. You can buy it or sell it, and the money in US dollars goes back into your account to buy something else. You don't have any way of transferring that Bitcoin ETF to someone else. You can't send it to a Christian missionary on the other side of the world who needs financial resources. You can't convert it into some other asset other than US dollars. It's very limited, and you can only do those things 19% of the time. So the United States stock market is only open 19% of the time, which means 81% of the time you might want to transfer value in the world. You can't because the stock market's closed. And if you want to buy more over the weekend, you can't because the stock market's closed. You just can't do any of the incredible 24/7 awesome stuff that Bitcoin can do with complete global liquidity. You can trade Bitcoin for any currency anywhere in the world 24/7. You can't do that with a Bitcoin ETF. You can send Bitcoin to anyone in the world 24/7. You can't do that with a Bitcoin ETF. You can self custody Bitcoin, meaning you can hold it with something like the BitKey, BITKEY. The website is BitKey. You can actually self custody your Bitcoin, which means nobody in the entire world can stop you from transacting Bitcoin, can freeze your account, can seize your assets, unless they seize you. Like, that's not true with the Bitcoin ETF, but it's the equivalent of buying stock in Edison Electric versus electrifying your house. Like the experience of electricity where you can actually turn light switches on and off is a big deal. Getting the actual benefits of electricity as opposed to just owning stock in the electric company, even if they somehow gave you the exact same financial benefits, experiencing the actual power of electricity and the way it can transform things in your life is a big deal. So if you can buy the real thing, buy it on Coinbase, get the real thing. If you can't, for example, it's locked up in a retirement account and you're going to have to jump through a bunch of hoops, then sure, the Bitcoin ETF is great.